Presenting the 2007 Mazda 6. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Carfax is offered to provide you with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags. Call today to schedule a test drive.